In this Excel Basics lesson, we explore how to protect individual worksheets before printing, especially useful when you have multiple worksheets within one workbook. This helps prevent others from accidentally or intentionally modifying the specific worksheet that needs to be printed. To begin, select the worksheet you want to protect. Go to the Review tab, then click on Protect Sheet. Here, you'll be prompted to set a password to lock the worksheet. It's crucial to remember this password because if you forget it, you won't be able to unlock the protection and make changes later. Once the protection is applied, you'll notice a lock icon indicating that the worksheet is now secured. No one will be able to modify the protected worksheet without entering the password. If you want to unlock the worksheet later for editing or adjustments, go back to the Review tab, click Protect Sheet, enter the password you set, and click OK. The worksheet is now accessible again for editing, and you can update or modify the data as needed. Protecting individual worksheets ensures that your data stays safe and that the printed version reflects exactly what you want without accidental changes by others. This is especially helpful when you have several worksheets in a workbook, but only specific ones should be printed as finalized documents.